Sam's Club Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a Sam's Club shopper in 2025, you might be wondering whether the Sam's Club credit card is actually worth adding to your wallet. With so many credit cards on the market offering various perks, cashback, and rewards, it can be overwhelming to know if this one delivers real value or if it's better to pass. In this video, we're breaking down the Sam's Club credit card, its benefits, fees, and who should consider using it, so you can make a smart decision without wasting time or money. Let's start with the basics. The Sam's Club credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, a well-known financial institution for retail credit cards. There are a few variations, including the standard Sam's Club MasterCard and the Sam's Club American Express, but for 2025, the focus is primarily on the MasterCard version. This card is designed to reward regular Sam's Club shoppers, offering cash back on purchases made both inside Sam's Club stores and outside in everyday spending. One of the standout features is the cashback structure. Cardholders earn 5% cashback on gas purchases, 3% cashback on dining and travel, and 1% on all other purchases. Additionally, if you shop at Sam's Club, you get 3% cashback on Sam's Club purchases, which is particularly valuable for frequent members who spend hundreds or even thousands annually on groceries, household items, and electronics. For comparison, many general-purpose rewards cards offer 1% to 2% on groceries, so this card is competitive for dedicated Sam's Club shoppers. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. The card truly shines if you're an active Sam's Club member and you consistently spend in its bonus categories. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you spend $200 per month on gas, $150 on dining and travel, $400 at Sam's Club, and $300 on other everyday purchases. With the Sam's Club credit card, you'll earn $10 from gas 5%, $4.50 from dining/travel 3%, $12 from Sam's Club 3%, and $3 from other purchases 1%. That totals $29.50 per month, or $354 annually, a solid return for spending you'd be doing anyway. Another major appeal is no annual fee for Sam's Club members, though you do need to maintain an active membership to be eligible. This means the card essentially comes at no extra cost beyond your membership, and the rewards can offset membership costs over time if you shop strategically. For example, if your membership costs $50 a year, your cashback earnings can more than cover that if you regularly make purchases at Sam's Club and in the bonus categories. Now, let's address fees beyond the annual membership requirement. There's no foreign transaction fee on the MasterCard, which is a plus if you travel internationally, though the card doesn't have the most premium travel perks compared to high-end travel cards. Late payments and interest on balances will follow standard Synchrony Bank terms, so paying your balance in full each month is essential to maximize rewards and avoid unnecessary interest charges. One surprising truth about the Sam's Club credit card is its simplicity. While some credit cards require managing rotating categories, complex redemption platforms, or minimum thresholds to cash out rewards, this card automatically applies cash back as a statement credit. This means your rewards directly reduce your balance without complicated processes, making it extremely user-friendly, especially for busy individuals or students learning to manage credit. Speaking of credit, the Sam's Club credit card can also help you build or improve your credit score if used responsibly. Synchrony reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, so making timely payments and keeping balances low can positively impact your credit history. For new credit card users, this is a critical benefit, as it establishes a foundation for future financial opportunities, including loans, mortgages, and premium credit cards. Let's dive deeper into the perks. The card provides some purchase protections, including extended warranty coverage and fraud protection. This can be valuable if you buy electronics, appliances, or other high-ticket items at Sam's Club. Additionally, many purchases are automatically protected against theft or damage for a limited period, usually 90 days. This gives peace of mind for shoppers investing in large items or making frequent purchases online or in store. A key factor to consider in 2025 is how this card compares to other general-purpose cashback cards. While flat-rate cards offer simplicity with 1% to 2% on all purchases, the Sam's Club credit card provides enhanced rewards in categories that matter most to its members. The key caveat is that you need to actually spend in those categories. If you rarely buy gas, travel, or dine out, or if you shop at other retailers instead of Sam's Club, you may not get as much value, and a flat rate card might be better for your situation. Now let's talk about redemption options. Unlike some cards that require points to be converted or redeemed through a portal, the Sam's Club credit card cashback is automatically applied as a statement credit each billing cycle. This removes barriers to using your rewards, ensuring you get immediate value. You can also apply rewards to your Sam's Club membership fees, making it even more convenient for members who want to offset membership costs. Some students and first-time credit card users might wonder about approval requirements. Generally, Synchrony Bank looks at your credit history, income, and debt-to-income ratio. Since this card is targeted at regular shoppers, you don't need perfect credit, but a reasonable credit profile is helpful. Many younger adults or new credit users may need a cosigner for approval, or they might start with a secured card before moving up to this option. This makes it a practical mid-tier card rather than an entry-level card for complete beginners. It's also worth noting the card's online tools. The Sam's Club website and app provide easy tracking of rewards, recent transactions, and payment due dates. Alerts and reminders help prevent missed payments and ensure you maximize your cashback earnings. This user-friendly experience aligns with the card's overall appeal: simple, effective, and low maintenance. One common question is about the benefits of shopping outside Sam's Club. While 3% cashback at Sam's Club is great, the 5% on gas and 3% on dining and travel are what make this card versatile beyond just groceries. For commuters, frequent travelers, or foodies, these categories can generate meaningful rewards over the course of a year. For instance, someone spending $150 per month on gas could earn $90 annually, and dining/travel could add another $54, totaling $144 in cashback outside Sam's Club alone. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. The card isn't just about rewards, it's also about aligning your spending with categories where you naturally spend money. If you plan your budget around Sam's Club shopping, gas, dining, and travel, the card becomes a powerful tool for passive earnings, not just an ordinary credit card. In contrast, using it without considering your spending habits may yield less value than a flat-rate card. Another advantage is simplicity in managing finances. Many high-reward cards have tiered categories, rotating offers, or cashback caps, which can be confusing. The Sam's Club credit card keeps it straightforward: 3 main bonus categories plus a baseline 1% on everything else. This makes it easy to calculate your expected rewards and avoid surprises when the statement arrives. Now, let's examine potential drawbacks. The primary limitation is that rewards are maximized only for Sam's Club members who spend in the designated categories. Casual shoppers, or those who prefer different stores, might find the rewards underwhelming. Additionally, while there is purchase protection, the card does not offer premium perks like airport lounge access, elite travel insurance, or concierge services. For those seeking a luxury travel experience, this card is not designed to compete with premium travel cards. One subtle yet important feature is Synchrony Bank's approach to customer service. In 2025, they've improved digital support, including chat options, mobile app assistance, and clear dispute resolution processes. For cardholders, this means any issues with charges, rewards, or account management can be addressed quickly, a nice reassurance for both new and experienced credit users. Finally, let's consider the long-term strategy. If you're a consistent Sam's Club shopper, this card can become a foundational part of your wallet. You earn meaningful cashback on everyday essentials, pay no annual fee beyond membership, and build a credit history. Over time, maintaining this card responsibly may allow you to qualify for higher-tier cards with additional perks, larger rewards, or travel benefits. In conclusion, the Sam's Club credit card in 2025 is worth it for frequent Sam's Club members who want a straightforward, low-maintenance cashback card. With 5% cashback on gas, 3% on dining and travel, and 3% at Sam's Club, plus 1% on everything else, it delivers solid rewards without hidden complexities. Its simplicity, ease of use, purchase protections, and credit-building potential make it a smart choice for everyday shoppers. The main limitations are its dependence on specific spending categories and lack of premium travel perks, but for the target audience, these are minor trade-offs. If you regularly shop at Sam's Club, spend on gas, and dine out, this card is absolutely worth keeping in your wallet in 2025. It's simple, effective, and helps you earn rewards for spending you'd be doing anyway, while also building a foundation for a stronger financial future.